this is a good craft. Now to make it better, I'll put some fins. I'll put them only on the boosters because when in space they don't do anything. Now, SAS is Stability Assist System. So, to show that it's good, I will not use SAS and I will not command it. And you can see here that I'm not doing anything. And I'm not cheating because, well, because the game works like this. Although you can see that it's just a teeny tiny bit of it's not going perfectly straight up, but even with SAS it's work. Okay, now we know at least that it's a pretty good craft. Now I will put SAS now because I need it. So we know that when we decouple the boosters, then we need SAS. So it's pretty good because we don't have any more fins. So we could put the fins on even on this, and without no SAS it should work. And I will not be commanding it except decoupling the boosters, activating the parachutes and things like this, but I'm not going to use it. I'm not gonna use any controls. Now this, do not make it too long, I'll warp. Not to warp, I will make it faster. Now we're about to decouple the boosters, and oh, I forgot that I didn't have to activate SAS. This design should be better. Nope, no SAS. I'll warp it. And well, it's not going perfectly straight, but it's pretty good. Then we will decouple the boosters. Well, unfortunately, I don't know what I can do about these explosions of the boosters, but hopefully I will not overheat any of the fins, because if they explode, as things in Kerbal do when they get overheated, then my craft will not go straight anymore. Okay, they won't explode. Now I'll warp, and I don't have any more fuel, so now in space there's no atmosphere, so fins don't do well anything. But because there's no air, that means no wind or dynamic forces, which, well, there's no force that can make it change direction. Well, except maybe the solar wind, but in Kerbal things like this don't exist. Now, I forgot to decouple this stage. I'll activate the parachute. And as you can see, it doesn't need a well, okay, I had to put a heat shield, but this is a good craft if with a heat shield. Now, what is not a good craft? Now, I want to make it spin, just because, well, I have to do it as bad as possible. So, I will put some stronger boosters that will go faster. and if it goes faster, it will be more noticeable. Actually, I won't. I'll leave the boosters the same, just so that you don't know that that's not the different boosters that make the difference. Okay. I have to keep everything perfectly the same. Now, this is the worst design that I came up with, which is very bad. And I mean very bad as a design. So, you put it like this. Then we twisted these a bit so that this will rotate. Like this. Well, it's not made perfect, but this has to be a bad design. So we'll put all these stages perfectly the same, and you will see how bad of a design this is. And when I mean bad, I mean extraordinarily bad in this case. So, no SAS, but I think I'll have to activate it. So as you can see, I'll activate SAS. SAS helps. I won't, so that you can see the difference. As you can see, this isn't something... Well, in terms of fun, you could say that this is fun, but in terms of what it can do, this is not good. Although it makes a lovely spirals. You can decouple the boosters. Oh, and I forgot to add the parachutes. But that's not what makes the difference. I put SAS because, well, okay, I will decouple this. I can hear explosions. And as you can see, this will not actually it survived. Well, that's maybe the only advantage of this spacecraft, but there's just too many downsides to count for the not needing of a parachute. But we have at least Valentina Kerman is safe.